Your text isn't broken. Center align works. You're skipping one thing. This fails for one reason only. When people say their text won't center in OpenOffice, they're almost always doing this wrong. They click the button, but nothing is selected. Before you click anything, select the text you want centered. If the text isn't highlighted, OpenOffice has nothing to align. No selection means no change. Now click the center align icon in the toolbar. One click. That's all it takes when the text is selected. If nothing moved earlier, OpenOffice wasn't ignoring you. It was waiting. The button works. The selection step matters. If you prefer shortcuts, select the text, then press Ctrl+E. Instant center alignment. That's the fix. Select first, then center. If you want more OpenOffice tips, quick fixes, and beginner guides, check the resources below. Like and subscribe for more guides like this. That's the whole thing.